Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pass the NCLEX exam. To begin, it's crucial to understand the exam structure and what content it covers. Next, develop a personalized study plan that fits your learning style and schedule. Dedicate time daily to review key concepts and practice questions. Consistent effort over several weeks or months is far more effective than cramming. This foundational approach sets you up for success. The NCLEX tests your ability to apply nursing knowledge, not just recall facts. Concentrate on understanding core concepts and how they relate to patient care. Practice critical thinking by working through various clinical scenarios, asking yourself why for each step. Thoroughly review the rationales for every question, both correct and incorrect, to deepen your understanding and identify knowledge gaps. This approach builds a strong foundation. Effective study habits are key. Aim for consistent, dedicated study sessions, perhaps 2 to 3 hours each day, rather than infrequent long ones. Break down large, complex topics into smaller, digestible parts to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Employ active recall techniques, like flashcards or self-quizzing, to retrieve information from memory. Combine this with spaced repetition to reinforce learning over time, ensuring long-term retention of vital information. On exam day, managing your mindset is crucial. Practice relaxation techniques and positive self-talk to reduce test anxiety. When answering questions, read each one meticulously, identifying keywords and the patient's primary needs. Do not rush. Trust the knowledge you have gained through your diligent preparation. Avoid second-guessing yourself or overthinking. Often, your first instinct is correct. A calm, focused approach will serve you well.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.